Let's take a look at this Diwali firecracker gift hamper. Again, this is becoming a trend where you get a big box with a lot of firecrackers for a set amount of price around 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees. This box was around 1500 or around $25 or so. For that, you get all these different assortment of crackers, and these are matchsticks. Again, interesting to take a look at these packaging. This is the bullet flash bomb. Again, you see the Hobbit guy, and I've seen the other person in action movies. Don't know his name. Again, don't know what the connection with this and Hobbit is, but always interesting to see all the packaging on these firecrackers. And this one is the roll caps. The best thing about the gift pack is that you get all the different varieties of firecrackers, but the downside is you also get only few of them, like one piece of this snake firecracker, and these are individual firecrackers. You get 5 of them. They have a very short fuse. You also get this big garland of firecracker that you can and that's how it goes. And you get the same firecracker, but as individual pieces. Usually kids burst these because they last quite a while. So again, individual firecrackers with a very short fuse. And got these Batman bombs with I don't even know the character on the packaging. And this is how the bombs look. They just make a loud noise, but they have quite a long fuse, so are quite safe to light. Again, these are called the double shot. When you light the fuse, they burst on the ground ones and in the air ones. They are quite fun, and accidentally few of them tip over, so it's quite exciting too. And these are the sparklers. Always fun packaging. Again, you get a few of these in each box, and that's an Bollywood celebrity or actress. Again, really interesting to see all the packaging and the graphics on these. And you get one or two of these big garlands of firecrackers. That's Kratos from God of War, I think. Again, these make quite a lot of sound, and these are always thrown in these gift packs. These are cartoons which you can light, and they go randomly. That's why they are fun, because usually you cannot predict how they go. And all they are just different characters attached to the same firecracker. Still quite fun to light. And you will get a Spider-Man. Would have been fun to get it in his web, I guess, from his hand. I mean, again, these are flower pots, but these are quite small ones, so they don't last that long, but still you get a box of these. And this is how they go. And you also get a small box of these pencils. They look like this. Always quite tricky to light and finish quite fast. Similar to sparklers. Again, that's a Bollywood actress and a Miss World, I think, few years back. And that's how the thing looks, and this is how it works. These are quite fun. That's the slow-mo, by the way. They are quite fast in real speed. And you get these sparkling wire. These are quite easy to light. They work similar to sparklers, but much easier to light than a sparkler. Comes quite handy. Again, these are rockets. I hate these because they never go in straight, as you can see. Always tricky to light. And this is the Power Rangers crackers garland. Again, quite fun. Nice one. Check it out.